Rahul is making squares with matchsticks. His sister Deepa also joins him to make more squares. She adds another square to the one Rahul made. Like this, they get a pattern of squares as shown here.
Hey Deepa, can you see a pattern that we are getting as we are adding the squares?
How, Rahul? Can you help me understand?
Sure Deepa. Now see, for the first square we took 4 matchsticks.
That's correct, Rahul.
For 2 squares we took 8 matchsticks. For 3 squares we took 12 matchsticks.
You are right.
Can you see that there's a pattern here? For 1 square we needed 4 matchsticks. This can also be written as 4 times the number of squares, which is 4 times 1.
That's correct, Rahul.
Now for 2 squares we took 8 matchsticks. This means we needed 4 times the number of squares, which is 4 times 2.
You are right.
If I want to make 12 squares, how many matchsticks will I need?
That's simple, Rahul. You will need 4 times 12, which is 48 matchsticks.
Correct, Deepa. Do you think we can have a formula to find out how many matchsticks we will need to make a certain number of squares?
I think we can, Rahul.
Number of matchsticks needed is equal to 4 times the number of squares. So, if we want to make y number of squares, the total number of matchsticks we need is 4y. We have formed an equation here to find the total number of matchsticks and the number of squares we have to make. We have used a variable y to represent a varying quantity. Such statements are called algebraic equations. Algebraic equations are mathematical statements with an equality sign. On one side of the equal to sign, there may be algebraic terms combined with operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and a number on the other side. Equations have a wide range of applications in other fields as physics, chemistry, and biology. For example, the speed s of a moving object can be found by the equation s is equal to d by t, where d is the distance and t is the time. Kinetic energy K is given by the equation K is equal to half mv square. 2 atoms of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen gives 1 molecule of water. Let us conclude. In this video, we saw the need of equations. The relation between known and unknown quantities can be formed using an equation. Equations can be applied for practical situations. Equations are not only used in maths, but they find applications in other fields as well. Let us learn how to form equations and solve them in different methods in this chapter.